Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken mobile crypto trading app, fast access step by step clearly. Open the Kraken mobile app on your device. Wait for the app to load completely. On the main screen, locate the login button. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input your registered email address. Next, tap the next button. You will now need to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Once you've entered your password, tap on the login button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a code. Check your authentication method for the code. Enter the code in the designated field. After entering the code, tap the Verify button. Once verified, you will gain access to your trading dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the app's interface for easier navigation. You are now logged into the Kraken mobile crypto trading app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.